Master a new language while earning money. Yes, it's possible. In this video, I will introduce you to an incredible learn-to-earn app that allows you to make money while mastering a new language. Imagine getting paid while expanding your linguistic horizons. It's a win-win situation. Join thousands of language learners who have already discovered the power of this innovative app and start earning while learning today. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to turn your language skills into extra income. Watch the video now and unlock the secret to learning while making money along the way. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. And if you have any questions or concerns regarding the video, please leave a comment below. Now let's get started. Have you ever wished there was a way to make learning a new language more exciting and rewarding? Imagine being able to earn money while mastering a foreign language. It sounds too good to be true, right? With this revolutionary learn-to-earn app that turns language learning into a profitable venture, imagine being able to make money while improving your language skills from the comfort of your own home. Boomco is a learn-to-earn app for language learners to make money while learning a new language. At Boomco, you can learn vocabulary and grammar through daily quizzes, test your knowledge in assessment tests, and compete with other members by a ranking system. Users can learn and repeat chapters by level. They can also earn points to rank on a seasonal ladder board to compete for rewards. Also, users can equip themselves with backpacks on the marketplace to earn direct rewards. Rewards can be earned while participating in quizzes to check the learning process. Earned rewards in the form of LER tokens can be used within the Boomco platform for leveling, upgrading, or taking courses and assessments. Points can be obtained in different ways, like participating in daily missions or answering questions in the quiz module. A new language opens all kinds of doors to cultures, friendships, opportunities, and money. No more aimlessly studying languages without seeing any real-world benefits. With Boomco app, you can now earn real money by completing language tasks, engaging in conversations with native speakers, and showcasing your language proficiency to potential clients or employers. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join 15,000 plus Boomco members who are actively learning and earning special rewards. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.